I just bought a Candlepin sign. It's funny you got all the candle pins.
Yeah. Why, you think it's too big of a box? I mean, what's it cost to
No,
ship
it's heavy.
two?
It's heavy.
Wow,
Yeah, that's
if
the problem.
if you did
Heavy,
two,
and it's the dimensional weight.
yeah.
Yeah, that's the problem, yeah. So to ship that to California is probably about $16, $18 for two of them. How much are the seats?
A whole bin, $20.
Might I take a quick look?
Go ahead.
I guess that kind of makes it all worth it, right?
Actually, I might need it.
How about 15 and you keep the crate?
Sure.
Done. Okay.
I have a shop in Danvers. I sell all kinds of stuff like this, and I like eBayers.
I paid $15 for all of these bike seats. Listen, somebody's gonna want them. You know, that one's on great shape. So the ones that don't sell won't do well, but there's one in here that I really wanted. It was this one. This is a Schwinn, and it had the tag. This right here, it's not rusted out that bad. It's pretty good. Still has the springs. That bike seat could be, I don't know, depending on which thing it's for, that could be 60 to $80.